Hello everybody. This is Dr. Suganya working as an associate professor in Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to see about the concept software testing, which was a very essential to be performed in the software development lifecycle. So when we speak about the software project management, we go for the development of a project, and this software testing is very essential for that is to be done in the software development lifecycle. So in this video we are going to see about different kinds of testing like manual testing, automation testing, etc. So before that we'll just see about the introduction to software testing. So the main purpose of software testing is to ensure the quality and functionality, also the reliability of the software product. So when we speak about the software project management, we have to always ensure the quality of the product which we produce. There are some of the key objectives in the software testing, identifications of the bugs and errors, delivering the quality product, justification, increasing the confidence, and enhancing the growth of the project. So the picture clearly explains about the 5 typical objectives of the software testing. So when we speak about the software testing in general, like we have to identify the defects or identify the bugs which has been arised in the software before that is going to be released. And next is that we also have to ensure the functionality of the software. So how do we ensure the functionality of the software? Means we have to verify that the software behaves according to the requirements and the specifications which we have mentioned. So next is we have to improve the quality of the software by testing the software in a proper way. How do we improve the quality? Means we have to always maintain the high level of performance or usability or the security of the software which we are going to be develop. The next one is how do also we have to ensure the security, like by identifying the vulnerabilities. Also we have to ensure that the software is protected from the threats. Next we are going to see about the manual testing, automation testing, etc. So before that let's see about the key objectives of the software testing. So the main key objective of the software testing is the error detection. We have to ensure the software quality. So what is the purpose of this key objectives of the software testing? Means mainly this error has been detected in order to identify the bugs or defects in the software, mainly to ensure whether the software has been worked as an intended one or not. So next we have to ensure the quality of a software. So why do we ensuring the quality of the software? Means in order to verify that our product, the product which we develop meets the quality standards or not. Next is verifying the functionality of a software. We have to check whether the function of the software behaves correctly or not, or it means that it behaving differently to the end users. We have to validate the user requirements too. So how do we validate the user requirements? Means by confirming that the final product meets the expectations or the user needs. That is, the product which we develop always should meet the user needs. So we have to validate that whether the product which has been developed by us meets the expectation or needs of the customer. Next we have to prevent the defects. So how do we prevent the defect? Means we have to find the issues early itself. So whenever there is a problem, we have to identify that problem in the early stage itself. Why should we have we have to identify the problem in early stage? Means so in order to avoid the big problems later in our product life cycle. So next is the improving the performance of the software. So how do we improve the performance of the software? Means, and actually what is the purpose of analyzing the performance of the software? Means we have to ensure that the system that can handle the real world actually happens or not. Next is the ensuring security. So the security that has been ensured by identifying the difficulties, or if there is any loopholes in the system, we have to identify it earlier itself in order to ensure that the product has been given a proper security or not. Next we go for the support maintenance. So we have to provide support for the for maintaining the software in the future by helping in verifying the system or stability of the software after changes or updation of the software. So next comes the achieving compliance. It is optional, but we have to ensure the standards or regulations or the legal requirements for achieving the compliance of the software. So this picture clearly tells about the different kinds of software testing, like manual testing and the automation testing. So in this video we are going to speak about the like manual testing and the automation testing. So in manual testing we have three different categories, like white box, black box and gray box testing, which in turn has its own classifications like functional testing, non-functional testing. This functional and non-functional testing has been given in my previous video very clearly in a tabular format also. Let us if you want, you can go through that video also. Now let's see about the manual testing. So actually when we speak about the manual testing, means that it is a testing of software manually without undergoing any software related tools. That is, the testers execute the test by hand. So that is called as manual testing. So what is very special or key features of manual testing means the manual testing exclusively performed by the humans, and the test cases are executed step by step manually by the humans. The main advantages of performing the manual testing is that it's very useful for the UI and UX testing designs, and also when we do the test manually, it is very easy to handle the complex scenarios unless if we prefer the automation testing. And also the very important thing is that it do not require any programming knowledge. Even the person who do not have programming knowledge can test the software manually. Next we speak about the automation testing. So automation testing means the testing that is done in the software using the automated tools or scripts, and the test cases can be run without a human interventions also. And main important key aspects of the automation testing is that we can use the testing tools like Selenium, QTP, JUnit, etc., like TestNG, like etc. We have so many different testing tools. So these are all some of the popular tools now using in the industries. Next, when the automation testing requires the scripting or programming skills too. So the main advantages in this like automation testing is that we can do the testing faster, and the test which we done using the automation testing will be very accurate. Also, and one of the important other advantages is that it saves the time, and it do not repeat the cycles of the test again and again. So this is the greater advantages of the automation testing. So here as I told you already, we are going to speak about the types of manual testing, like black box, white box and gray box testing, and these are all the definitions of white box, black box and gray box testing. Let us see about this different classifications of manual testing in my next video. So thank you.